about understanding the basic concept of ICT. So at this moment, we already know that ICT is very important because we see computer in different fields. Like in doing our job, we use computer, and also marketing strategy, we use computer or technology, and also today we really adapt the technology in learning. So it is important to know this basic concept of ICT for you to familiarize those essential things in the field of computer. So before we start, do you know what ICT stands for? Yes, it's correct. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology.
So let's move on to its basic concept. So first we have technology. Technology refers to a mix of process and product used in the application of knowledge. It also helps society to determine how people interact with each other on a daily basis. Technology plays an important role in society today because it affects the way of communicating, learning, and thinking. Next is ICT literacy. Information and Communication Technology Literacy or ICT literacy. It is a use of digital technology, communication tools, or networks to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information in order to function in a knowledge society. Thus, ICT can be viewed as a set of activities and technologies that fall into the union of IT and telecommunications. Educational technology. Educational technology refers to the use of technology in teaching and learning. It includes both non-digital and digital. Non-digital learning media included textbooks and personal notes, while digital learning media included apps, lecture slides, exam questions, internet search, podcast, and vice versa. Next is digital literacy. Digital literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using information technologies and internet. It is also the ability to use information and communication requiring both cognitive and technical skills. In digital literacy, there is also information, search, and evaluation. It is to find or evaluate and manage information, especially when you use technology. It needs a reliable sources. Next is creation. It is to create meaning and activities. After you find an information, just try to understand and create meaning in your own understanding. Next is communication. Try to communicate effectively. Next is collaboration. After you communicate, try to collaborate with others and share ideas. And lastly, online safety. Be watchful and keep your personal details. Next is digital learning. Digital learning is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practice that makes effective use of technology. Example of digital learning is courses, video lectures, digital career tests, activity sheets and worksheet, and also learning management system or LMS. Online digital tools and apps use an internet connection. Common example for this is Skype. Skype is a telecommunication application software product that specializes in providing video chat and voice calls between computers, tablets, mobile devices via internet, and regular telephones. Next is offline digital tools and apps. Offline digital tools and apps includes Canary Learning. It allows offline access for students to write homework and for teachers to grade it, like iBooks. Kalite. Kalite is a lightweight web application software that allows users without internet access to engage with Khan Academy videos and exercise in completely offline settings. Next is instructional technology. Instructional technology is a theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management and evaluation of the processes and resources for learning. It is also defined as the design and application of technological resources and processes to create, enhance, and support learning. Software. Software refers to a program control instructions and accompanying documents, stores on disk, or tapes when not being used in computers. Examples are PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Gmail, and vice versa. Multimedia. Multimedia is sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of formats in a given presentation or self-study programs. The role of multimedia in education is for the teachers to develop simple effective presentation for a small group, a class or web-based presentation, and for the students to develop a presentation based on a task assigned or research. Internet. Internet is a massive network of networks, a network infrastructure. It is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers. Internet allows people to improve the quality of their life. It opened access to the previously inaccessible things. With almost 3 million of users, Internet has been emerging as one of the most important tools of communications. Next is World Wide Web. World Wide Web, also called as web, is a graphical environment on computer networks that allows you to access, view, and maintain documentations that can include text, data, sound, and videos of the Internet. Next is web access. Web access is the ability of learners to access the Internet at any point during the lesson in order to take advantage of the array of available education resources. Access to the Internet helps educational administrators to reduce the cost and improve the quality of school and colleges. Next is WebQuest. WebQuest, inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most or all information that learners work with comes from the web. This can be created using various programs including simple word processing documents that includes links to websites. Next is productivity tools. Productivity tools refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tool for personal, professional, or classroom productivity, for example, Excel, OneNote, Outlook, Word, and PPT. Next is we have technology tools. Technology tools is an instrument used for doing work. It can be anything that help you accomplish your goal with the use of technology. For example, data or calculation tools, design tools, discussion tools, email tools, and handheld device. Next is we have blog. Blog is an online journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged. 3 kinds includes blogs for communication, blogs for instructions, and blogs for both. Blogging can also give an impact in business world because it is a great way to create a personality for your company and makes your business more credible, approachable. Next is Wiki. Wiki is an editable website usually limited access, allows students to collaboratively create and post written works or digital files, such as digital photos or videos. Example for this is Wikipedia. Flipped Classroom. Flipped Classroom. It utilizes a reverse instructional delivery where the teacher is required to use the web resources as homework or out-of-class activity as initial instruction of the lesson which will be discussed during class time. Next is Podcast. Podcast is a video or audio multimedia clip about a single topic typically in the format of the radio talk show. 2 basic functions are to retrieve information and to disseminate information. Podcast allows you to share your knowledge with the relevant audience. The next one is Google Apps. Google Apps is a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in a Google server and is available for students both at home and in school. Next is Vlog. Vlog is a video blog where each entry is posted as video instead of the text. So vlogging is one of the source of income of those people who are into vlogging, like Alex Gonzaga, and also those YouTube channel who have a live stream with various sports, like One Sports. Next is Facebook. Facebook is a popular social networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves and to the world, so we are already familiar on this app. And lastly, we have Voice over Internet Protocol. Voice over Internet Protocol is a category of hardware and software that enables people to use the Internet as transmission medium for telephone calls by sending voice data in packets using IP rather than traditional circuit transmission. Example for this is Skype, Viber, FB Messenger, WhatsApp, and vice versa. So these are the 24 basic concepts in ICT.
So that's the end of understanding the basic concept of ICT. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you have some questions, just comment down below and I will notice it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.